Alrighty, just an update for you DIY guys at home that are trying to do this on your own. Primary cause of failure for these lifters. I was talking to my good buddy Mike, call him LS Mike. He's an LS master. And he told me that the primary failure for most of these fails these little lifter locks is your valve lifter oil manifold, which is what distributes your oil to your lifters, controls them essentially. And it's this bad boy right here. It comes off. You gotta just pull your fuel rails off and all your injectors out. But if you have a failed lifter, make sure you go ahead and replace this. Save you a lot of headache in the future and just longevity of the motor.